Today, human interaction and socialization have become overwhelmingly virtual. Most people have moved their social and business relationships to their phones or laptop. Fiat currency purchases of land are quite heard of, but virtual purchase land through virtual currencies is an entirely novel concept. Check this overview before we start with Decentraland price prediction, based on the Ethereum blockchain with an indisputable record of ownership. The Decentraland platform of the game has been created to attach an all-new control over the virtual land of users who can now purchase, build and monetize virtual reality applications through Decentraland. Decentraland users are better empowered to take charge of the environment and applications they create within their land. A comprehensive data of the deal made is recorded on the blockchain, and hence this virtual reality platform is safe and secure. Decentraland, a virtual marvel. All the assets and land parcels are shown in the game can be purchased with the native token, called mana, be it roads or plazas. Since the land possession is an NFT recorded on the Ethereum blockchain using the ERC 721 standards, transferability and security emerge as prominent game features. It's still early days for virtual worlds, even though Decentraland is specifically conceptualized to attract players who have aged out of the children's games. For the teenagers and young adults who seek deeper human connections based more upon socializing and transacting than on treasure hunt. Decentraland, laying the foundation. As the fastest-growing virtual world, Decentraland was developed by an Argentinian group in 2016 by Esteban Ordano and Ariel Malik with Chief Executive Officer James Ashton. Decentraland has raised $25.50 in funding from 6 high-profile users. It includes Animoca Brands, Boost VC, Fabric Ventures, Genesis One Capital, Fundamental Labs, and George Burke. Decentraland's developers have taken a very thoughtful and light-handed approach to building the game's foundational layers. New projects and partnerships in the cryptocurrency market are already underway to make this virtual world a sophisticated and engaging alternate reality, which will likely become ubiquitous and addictive. Contributing to a virtual world, say Utopia. Digital real estate is an investment opportunity worth considering. Investors are sure to benefit from this virtual reality platform-based economy learning and gathering exhilarating experiences. No wonder a fusion of art, craft aided by music and graphics is sure to make Decentraland a very alternative and lucrative investment tool. Decentraland price predictions, market sentiment. Going by the technical analysis, Decentraland price has had a historic voyage throughout compared to other digital assets. And that could be the primary purpose for its popularity too. The current price of Decentraland stands at 57 cents with a market cap of $985,464,368 with a 24 hours trading volume of $98,877,881.63 with a circulating supply of 1.69 billion. Decentraland, as per experts' mana price analysis and price predictions, can be seen as below. Based on our Decentraland predictions, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026 is $4.87. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 725.42%, which will make it a profitable investment. Wallet investor. The mana price is forecasted to reach 77 cents by the beginning of December 2021 as per our price prediction 2021. The expected maximum trading price is 97 cents. The minimum trading price of mana tokens is 66 cents. The mana price prediction for the end of 2021 is 77 cents. Trading beasts. According to our mana price prediction, the coin might grow threefold in the next 5 years. It should have a clear bull run around $1.80 to $2, making it a long-term good investment. Long forecast. Based on our mana price forecast, the token continued to register a tremendous bull run and remain highly volatile around the $1 mark by the 2021 end. And hence, users need to do their own research before investing their money in mana tokens. Digital coin price. It seems Decentraland is doomed. It has lost sheen by almost half of the current price, stooping to as low as $4.01 by the first quarter of 2024, making many investors sell Decentraland in the cryptocurrency market. Reddit community. According to the recent long-term forecasts, Decentraland price will hit above $1 by the end of 2021, $2.50 by the end of 2022, and $4.50 by the end of 2025, which will make mana a good investment in the future. Trading education. Decentraland price forecast, 2021 to 2025. Overcoming all hurdles. Mana is set to hold a benchmark for its performance, attracting a major investor community surpassing all expectations in terms of overall growth. Decentraland Price Prediction 2021. If all markets turn favorable, this digital asset is set to break all barriers and perform exuberantly, scaling the peak as aforesaid. Transgressing all limitations over the next year, Mana would surely show signs of fortune for its users as per our unbiased crypto forecast. Backed by robust smart contracts, Decentraland price may easily touch 95 cents by the end of the year 2021. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. Considering there are no sudden jolts ahead for cryptocurrency markets, Decentraland token is all set to affirm its strong position as a major attraction among its investor community. The road ahead is full of petals provided the investor confidence keeps booming, resulting in a major push to the price, taking it to cross all barriers, scaling $1.20 in the crypto market. Users should invest at the current prices to gain significant profit in the future. Decentraland Price Prediction 2023. Decentraland has established a fast, reliable network and works with the user experience of the product. Based on our Decentraland price forecasts, these features can help the Mana token gain a much higher price of $1.70 in 2023. If the drive for functional crypto continues into 2023, the crypto may even see a paradigm rush as per our Mana price prediction. Decentraland Price Prediction 2024. There are quite a few forecasts going forward for Decentraland, especially keeping in perspective the technological announcements and progress the company has designs on. There are few forecasts that the Mana price may reach $2 in the crypto market. Decentraland Price Prediction 2025 and beyond. Decentraland is also active in community initiatives and through which we are optimistic about the token's future growth in terms of different factors like prices, volume, upgrades, etc. Considering they keep up momentum garnering a significant market cap, their initiatives with a focus on education, outreach, and innovations may take Mana token price to an appreciable level of $2.80. Frequently asked questions. Why is the price of Decentraland rising? Owing to the transaction speed, Decentraland is a special attraction for buyers worldwide due to its offerings and financial services. Mana might grow in the future as it allows the users to make transactions to buy virtual space in the form of NFTs. Over the last few months, NFTs have become popular, and hence, the popularity of Decentraland has blown up, which helps to grow its ecosystem along with its price. Why do people trust Decentraland? Decentraland is the Ethereum-based fastest-growing metaverse. You can create your applications, explore other users' worlds, and even trade to earn profits. The main reason for the Mana token is the assurance of speed. A decentralized platform only adds up to the scientific algorithm of safety with speed, ultimately making masses trust the platform, seeing the future price of Decentraland to gain momentum.